everyone. So today we're going to start our first project of the year, and we are doing a project inspired by the artist Jen Stark. Say Jen Stark. Great job. So to get started on our drip murals, we are each going to create our own drip. We're going to work on it for 2 classes. Today we are just going to sketch it out, and then next class we are going to add color, and I will help you cut it out. So you're gonna get a piece of white paper, and you are gonna hold it tall like a tower. And you are gonna write your name and whatever your art code will be, and I will have it up for you. It's either 1 or K, and then dash, and then some type of code so I know your teacher's name. After you do that, you're gonna turn it over. At your table, you're gonna have 4 different paint drip templates to choose from. Each of you at your table will get 1. They're all slightly different, but it doesn't really matter which one you get. They might have a letter on it. That just indicates the table that they are for. So I'm just gonna pick this one. It will fit perfectly on your paper. So you wanna make sure that you line up the edges so it fits just like this. Then you are only going to trace this bottom part. So I'm holding it down with my fingers. If you need, you can have a friend help you with this part where they can hold yours down. And then you might have to put your hand down and move it. You want to do this part really slowly. I'm going to move my hand over. Move my hand over. Now, once we are done with this, I'm gonna check to make sure that everyone has their paint strips done. Okay, now that you're done with the first step, the second step is going to be making the same type of line, which is a vocabulary word, that we did over here, but we are going to have it curve around. And when we do that, we wanna make sure we're leaving 2 fingers width apart because we're gonna color it in, and we don't want really skinny lines. We want bigger lines like this. So I'm gonna start, I could even put my 2 fingers here and put a little mark, and that's where I'm gonna start on my paper, right there, that little dot. And then I'm gonna follow the curve so that it's following the curve of the line that's underneath it. But I have to make sure I go back and I check. If I am less than 2 finger widths apart, like right here, I have to make it thicker, and then I can erase that part. Then I'm gonna do it again. So I wanna walk around first to see that everyone did that first line the right way. Okay, now we're gonna do our next line. I'm gonna go 2 finger widths. I'm gonna mark it. And now I'm going to slowly go up and down. I don't wanna go all the way down because then I'm gonna get too skinny. Up, down, up, down, up. Now I already have 1, 2. I could probably fit maybe 1 more and maybe a tiny bit up top. So I'm gonna keep it like this. I'm gonna wait so I can check that everyone is doing this now. Okay, once everyone looks good, I'm gonna show you how to do the next line, and then I will let you know when you can. I'm gonna go 2 finger widths apart. Now that might still be too skinny. I'm gonna go up from here, and I'm gonna start that line right there, and I'm gonna go up and down and up and down and up and down and up. And now, since I only have a little bit left, I'm not gonna start, I could start here, but I'm gonna kind of come off the page. So my wavy line might be a little bit different at the top. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 sections, and then maybe a little extra at the top. And over here, you can make a few X's for next time, because then we'll know that we're not gonna color that part in. That's the part that's gonna get cut out. This is all we're gonna do for today, and next time we'll get to start to use some black tempera sticks. Have fun.